How we doing, everybody? I'm going camping, and I'm just gonna show you how to camp better, I think. I haven't been putting out a lot of content lately, so I'm sorry, but so I figure I'll do vacation content like I was supposed to in California and then forgot to film anything. I don't think I filmed hardly anything, even though there was dolphins and a whole bunch of cool stuff at the thingy, the reptile super show, that thingy. But look, there's Boo. That's Boo's asshole. Boo! There's a bug on my leg. Caboose! Caboose! Ah, Boo! Okay. Bug. Ah! That was a big one.
It's not that big. Did you steal her ball?
He did. And that's how you set up a tent and stuff, and that's how you do it. See, and Boo's a trained campy dog because he's got his little survival kit ready, right? Oh, see, he's got his ball, and he's just so happy, huh, Boo? You happy? And he's got his Boo bells, so that the bears don't eat him. See the little Boo bells? And so that we can find him in the dark, because we hear him running around. What a good Boo. Poker! Poker! Quit eating things! Poker! You're already tangled. It's really dark. I wonder if this has a night vision. Now that it's nighttime, I'm gonna make a fire so that we can eat dinner. And now you'll watch me make a fire. I did it. See, I did it. I'm a good forest man.
Yep, you got nothing on the lesbian lumberjack.
She is hot. Is she a lesbian?
Oh yeah.
I didn't know that.
That's a big bug.
What the fuck was that?
A moth?
That's a goddamn helicopter. That wasn't a moth.
That was absolutely a moth.
That was an Apache helicopter. Now that we have our kindling, we're gonna make our fire. Did you bring a not working one?
No, are you priming it?
I think it's working. And now we've done it. Look, I made a fire. I am a fire boy because I did that with my bare hands because I'm a manly man. All right, now that we've got the fire going, we're making dinner, I think. You guys are gonna have a hard time seeing all of this because it's very dark. All right, we'll see if we can see what we got here. We got some steak. No, it's fine. And we've got some corn. Okay, maybe not. Steak and corn. All right, so it's dawn of day one, and we're eating breakfast and getting ready to go hiking with the Boo. Ah, and there's flies everywhere, and Boo hates it. Boo, are you getting a treat? Is that yummy, Boo? We have this for breakfast. Some berries and walnuts and yogurt. Nah. Now we're going hiking on the Elk Mountain. I'm doing a video. And as every good hiker knows, you gotta come over here and put your name in the box so that if you get lost or dead, they'll come and find you maybe. He's peeing again. That's all he does. It's all Boo do, isn't it? Isn't it, little Boo? Well, there he goes. Look, we hiked so long that we made it back to the beach in California, is where we totally are. Nah, not really. I'm way up there, those. That's the Sawtooth Mountains. They call them the Sawtooths because there's a guy up there that all he eats is saws. Hi. So now what we're doing is to end the day off after we've been at the beach on the lake all day. We're here at the river. Yeah. Pretty little river, huh? And so here we have these natural little springs behind us, and we're gonna go soak in here. Because that over there is really cold, but this right here is really warm because it's coming right out of the rocks up there and flows right down in here, and some people have built some little pools. This is actually called the Cauldron, and I was gonna get in there, but somebody emptied it out right before we got here. Yeah, this is an old mining cauldron. So, some fun facts for you for Stanley. So yeah, we're gonna get in there and soak and just enjoy the beautiful scenery.